here we are doing a little fishing today on the creek. Been catching a few. Sally's caught 2 or 3, and Knox with Katie caught 1.
Not like you said, there's a lot.
I don't think Mommy's caught any, have you? What about you, Kylie? What about you?
3.
Caught 3. Good catches for dinner?
I hate fish.
Huh. Oh. I almost had another one right there. Almost had another one. Got off?
He ate all my worms except a little bit of it. That's what happened to my worms.
Well, it looks like the fish are eating a lot of worms today. Not letting us reel them in too much. We're gonna fish for a little while longer, and then we're gonna head up to a place called the Dairy Burger, eat some dinner. Here. See if we can get a bite here. Get any bites, Mama? Nothing?
I've had like a million bites, but this is taking my time.
Go for it, Mama. Catch one out. Just catch one there. Now throw that in there. Charlie's putting her worm on. She just started putting worms on today. She's big, ain't scared of nothing.
I just don't want to get stabbed by the hook.
For real. Any bites yet, bud?
Nope.
Any nibbling going on?
I've got another one.
I think I need to put another worm on there.
Need to refresh it.
Worm? This is a lot harder than it looks.
Oh, I almost had another one right there. Oh, Kylie's caught a fish. There you go. Bring it around here. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh man, a little bluegill. A little bluegill on the line there. Good job.
That's my 4th fish today.
4th fish. You had fun fishing?
Yeah.
Yeah. You caught one, didn't you?
Yeah.
It was flopping, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You kept petting them. So here we are, waiting on Grandma. Grandma's gonna ride with us up to the Dairy Burger. We've all been doing some fishing and hungry. And you hungry, baby? Yeah. Y'all ready to go eat the Dairy Burger? Yeah. All right. We made it to the Dairy Burger. You ready to go in and eat, bud?
Yeah.
Huh? Got Kylie back there in the back.
It felt like it was 10 million years. Dad, I'm telling this.
Let's get your seatbelt off, man. What's wrong with it, babe?
It's weird.
A little wobbly. Might break.
It comes up back here.
Yeah, give cushioning.
We got the
There. That's mango.
Sweet tea, girl.
I'm the odd one out. I was the only one that got sweet tea.
Here we are. We're at the Dairy Burger. Walked down here to check the creek out. Waiting on our food to come up. Jaden throwing some rocks in there. Come on, bud. Come on down, man. What?
You hold it.
Sure will.
Both mine.
I might wear them. Let's see how they look on me. They look good?
No.
They look good? Oh yeah, I'm styling now. Styling. Oh yeah. Hey guys, let's go over here. Let's go over here. We can go over here and throw some bunch of rocks in. Come around this way. Come on, I'll hold your hand, bud. Come on, going over there. Going over there. Oh, there's a bunch of rocks over here. Come on.
Come on.
You got it. Come on.
Yeah.
You got it. Whoa. Don't get in there. All right, you want to throw some rocks in?
Yeah.
I'm get a rock, dude. You crazy. Whoa. Golly. Throw it in there, man. Woo. All right. Now don't get in there. You got your socks on, man.
I know. Yeah.
Watch out so you don't hit Bubba with a rock, man. That's crazy. So we're up here around Salina, Tennessee, up here around East Tennessee, around the Dale Hollow Lake. For those of you that know the area a little bit. And down here, come up to the Dairy Burger and up here to eat some food. They have some of the best ice cream. This place is kind of like out in the middle of nowhere. And so we come up here. I've been here once, and so now we brought the rest of the family up to eat and try it out on a Saturday afternoon. Such a nice day out, and great day for a little road trip. Coming up here to do a little eating. Man, they've got all kinds of good flat rocks down here. Skip a rock, see if I can do it. See what I got here. They ain't all that flat. A little bit. See what I got here. I got a lot of good flat ones here. Let's try another one. See what I got.
Oh, this is good. Look at this
Oh
one.
yeah.
I'm keeping this rock.
Got 3 bounces out of it. Alright, let's see what I got here. See if I can skip this one. Oh yeah.
Will this one work?
Yeah. Almost. You get them real flat. That one's too big. Oh, this is right here. Oh my God. Look at that one. That one's so thin. Look at that. Perfectly flat rock right there. See, I should be able to send this one on down there a little bit. Let's see. All right, here we go. Ooh, about six bounces out of it.
That one was high.
Let's see, another. You gotta find the little small flat ones.
Hey, let me see it.
Find the little small flat ones. So you gotta hold them like this, bud.
Oh.
Hold them, look, hold them like this. Take them and throw them flat across the water. And they'll skip. That'll be a good one too.
So do I do it like this?
Yeah. Got a few skips. I'm gonna try to skip this one. Big one. See what I got. You ready? See if I can skip it. You ready? Here we go. Ah! Do it, buddy. Do it. All right, y'all. The food's ready. Come on.
Daddy, look at this.
Come on. Let's go.
Daddy, look at this. Looks like an arrowhead.
Yeah, I know. See if you can skip an arrowhead. Ooh, a couple skips.
I think that was like 4.
One more. Here we go. One more. Dang, I skipped it all the way out of the water. Good skip. I could stay here all
Look
day.
at this one.
Quit.
This is perfect. Look how thin that is.
That'll be a good one too. Boom. Let me see that one, bud. So I can skip that one. So I can skip it. One more. Really big one. You ready, Callie? I don't know if I can get this one to spin or not. Watch out, Caden. Here we go. Real big one. Ah! All right, come on. Come on, let's go. Man, that was fun, guys and gals. Now let's go up here and eat some of this good food.
Hi guys. you think any of them back down there?
We might for a minute.
Basically.
We might. Whoa, I walked out of my flip-flop. That's not good, man. Up here at the Dairy Burger, tearing up some of this good food. Everybody's got some good food.
Hot,
How's the
but
chicken,
very
Callie?
good. It's hot, but very, very good.
How's yours? French fries, bud. Good?
Since the actual
Grandma's
food-
not eating nothing. Oh, we got lights on. Ooh, how's yours, bud?
Good.
Good.
better lighting.
How's yours, Knox? Is your food good? Oh,
The
yeah.
hamburger's gone, ain't it?
Since the actual regular food is good, I bet you the ice cream is
You
gonna
want to buy the
better.
mamas?
Probably will.
Huh?
Can I get the chocolate and vanilla mixed?
I don't know, you have to ask them.
I hope I can.
Here we are, just got out of the Dairy Burger.
I didn't see it.
Everybody get full? Everybody get full?
Yep.
Knox, get full. Some of the best ice cream around right here.
I'm almost done.
Best ice cream around. Just a little spot out in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, no, Mom.
Pretty busy. There goes a little puppy over there. They're walking him on the leash. Little puppy.